Projections of line. Go to the CAD software, switch off the ortho mode, switch on the ortho mode, and switch off the grid mode, and then go to limits. So here specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, and say zoom all. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line by clicking on the first button of the mouse and drag it in the right portion, right side, and click on take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse and drag it in the upper, and take the mouse on the top side and then click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this line, vertical line, and offset by 297 mm distance to the left side. Again, you just press enter key and go to offset, take the distance as 210, then select this horizontal line, offset to the upper side, then go to zoom, extends, and then zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet, then you select this vertical line and this horizontal line, and again fillet between this line and this horizontal line, then fillet between this horizontal line and this is vertical line. And this is how you will be able to write the A4 size sheet. Then go to zoom window, then go to the text and specify start point, select some arbitrary point and take the text height as 4, the rotation angle as 0, and type the 60th problem. The top view of a line, capital PQ, 70 mm, and front view is 60 mm. The NQ is nearer to both HP and VP than the end P, and is 15 above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the line if the distance between projectors is 50 mm. Then go to zoom previous. Now we'll go for the layer command. Then go to layer, enter, click on new, type XY, enter, then go to new, then go to locus, then go to new, type use, then new, type true length. Now we're going to change the line weights. So XY line, so go to layer 0, make the line weight as set the line weight as 0.05 and say OK. Then in XY the line weight has to be 0.13, that is the thickness. Click on OK. Then in locus you make the line weight as 0.05, set the 0.05, and in views make the default line weight as 0.5 and say OK. Then go to true length and make this as 0.25 and say OK. Then come down to locus. In line type locus, make the locus line type as dash dot. So since the dash dot is not loaded on the drawing, so you just go to load, come down to this line type and type D and say dash dot, say OK, and select the dash dot line and say OK now. So this is how you will be able to change the line type and layers of this. Then close it, then go to line command, draw a horizontal line of some distance and go to offset, take the distance as 15 mm, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Again go to offset, take the distance as 20, select this horizontal line and take it to the down bottom side. Then go to line, consider any point and draw a horizontal line, vertical line. Go to fillet between this line and this line, between these two lines. Then he says the offset, take the distance as 50, select this vertical line and offset by 50 mm to the left right side. Then go to extend this boundary edge on this and also on this, and extend it to the east. Then go to circle, take intersection of this and take the radius as 60, and here go to break this circle in the anti-clockwise direction, and then from here on this side and go to erase and go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this to intersection point of this and drag it in the horizontal direction. So you're going to get the locus, extend this horizontal line till to this boundary edge, then go to trim this till here. Then go to circle, take intersection of this, and the radius of this is 70, so you type 70. Then go to break this line till here, and then break this line till here. Then go to erase this line and go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, and go to extend, select this as the boundary edge and extend this till here. And go to trim this line till here. Now you go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this to intersection point of this. Now this is how you'll be able to get the front view and the top view. Now go to fillet between these two. You're going to get this here, then fillet between this line and this line. So now you have line, take intersection point of this and take perpendicular to this, and then draw intersection point of this. Similarly, line, take intersection point of this, take perpendicular to this line, and then take intersection point of this. So now we have completed the drawing. Then go to break this line till here, then go to break till here, and similarly take break till here and break till here. Then go to break, select this and break it till here, break this till here, and go to erase this line. Now we'll go for changing the thicknesses. Go to CH, go to layer. So these two are the front view. So select views and say escape and switch on the line weight. Then select between these two lines, go to layer, make that layer as true length, then escape. Then go to select this line, type layer, go to XY and say escape. Select between these two, then go to layer, make this as a locus, and here type this as 10. So you're going to get the line type scale factor. Once you get this, now we need to go for DDIM. Select close this, go to DDIM. So select modify, then come down to offset from origin, take it 3, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to text, extend as 4, and then text placement is above, align with the dimension line, and take this offset from the dimension line as 3, and then go to primary units, make this as 0, and here this is also 0, and say OK and say close. Then go to dim vertical, take intersection of these two and select this, to take 15, then dim vertical, select dim vertical, take intersection point of this and intersection point of this, and here it becomes 20. Take nearest on this and perpendicular to this, and here take 50. then go to dim align, select this line and take this as 60. Again dim align, select this line, so you're going to get 70 mm. Then go to text, select this and mark this as X, and you type this as VP and this as HP and this as Y, and then this as capital Q and this as capital Q, this as capital P and this as locus of P and this as capital P and this as locus of P. And now go to Q dash and this as small q and this as P, this as P1, this as P2, this as P1 dash, this as P dash and this as P2 dash. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, select VP and take it out here. Then similarly HP, you take it out here, then take X, then go to Q dash, then Q, then P dash, then P1 dash, then P2 dash, then go to P, then locus of P. Then P2, then Q, then capital Q, P, capital P, P1, then locus of P. Now we go for leader, nearest point on this line, mark this tangential, enter, option none. Then go to leader, nearest on this and take this annotation, options none. Then go to leader, take nearest on this and put on the ortho mode on, go to annotation, options none. Go to leader, take nearest on this, select on this, annotation, options none. Go to explode, this line, this line, and this line, and this line. And go to erase, erase this line, and this line. So this is how you will be able to find the solution of this. So finally, then go to zoom previous and go to save, and finally come down to the appropriate directory, then come down to AutoCAD, go to line drawing, so type P60 and save, and finally you